Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a quick cleaning product that I'm going to be using for the very first time, and I'm using Calphalon Dormond Cleaning product and Dawn dish soap that it says it's 50% less of scrubbing. So let's see. So guys, this is what my Calphalon Anodized cooking set looks like right now. This is the fry pan that I've been using for almost a year or so, and I've tried so many different products with them to clean this, but unfortunately it didn't happen. They didn't clean at all. You guys can see all the stains, the greasy ones from using them daily. They have it on. And guys, if you like this video, do tell me by commenting below, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's free. But this cleaning product was not free for me at all. I purchased this from Amazon. I saw some good reviews and some bad reviews on him, so I thought maybe it might give a new life to my cooking set that I use. So over here I just opened it and they had a sponge in it, so I just decided to go ahead and give it a try to the sponge that they had it with it. I thought maybe it might give me a magic kind of feeling that the moment I put this on, it's all the stains gonna start disappearing it with this sponge, but unfortunately that did not happen. I also went for the Dawn dish soap. I also gave a scrub with that as well. I thought maybe this might give me a magic result. So guys, I actually would like to let you know that at the end of the day, I would suggest, if you guys want to go with Anodized Cookware set, purchase the cleaning product ahead of time. Like if they have specific cleaning product for them, purchase it ahead of time, so you are not scrubbing like me at the end of the day. I actually had to put this overnight like this, and the next morning I didn't see any magic. This is what it looked like, and I had to scrub it. I was trying to take it off with a spoon now. Maybe it might work, but that's how it was at the end. After scrubbing so much, this is what they look like. So guys, this is what they look like after scrubbing so much. Yes, there are still some of the stains left, but most of the stains were gone. So yes, I would recommend you to use it, but I might not go for anodized purchase next time. I will just go for a stainless steel purchase maybe. So this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.